Hello everyone, Runesmith here. Today I have 3 easy locks and 3 different methods of binding the pins during an SPP, or finding the binding pins during an SPP. So let's start off with the left, and I'm going to show a method that I have shown before. This fits just fine. And this method is called the speed bump method, and not to be confused with lock bumping, but so the speed bump method is where you apply light tension and you drag over the pins, feeling the ones move freely until you find one that doesn't move freely, and it makes your pick go over it like a speed bump. So let's go over those. And the good thing about this, and then you'll slowly pulse your tension on it, pulse your pressure on it until you get a nice little click. The good thing about this method is sometimes as you're going over them, you knock them into place. So I did too much there. I didn't do my pulsating pressure like I should have. And there we go. That's your speed bump method. Let's move on. Next I have this 7240. I'm going to go bottom of the keyway. And for this one, I'm going to do something called overtensioning. So I'm going to set pin 1, see if it takes me into a full set, and it doesn't. So let's get that in there. So I'm going to apply much harder tension than I need to until I find the binding pin. Then I'll release the tension, set that pin. Then I'll do the same thing, very hard, release to set each pin, making sure to be very careful during this method not to overset. There we go. It's method 2. Next up, we're going to do a fan favorite, and that's testing each pin one by one and feeling for set jiggle or set movement. So 1 not binding, 2 is not binding. There's a little click back there. Let's go back to the beginning. I've got my full set, but let's check anyway. I've got some set bounce there. Test each pin. I'm feeling something moving back against my finger there, so let's see if we can set it. And I've got some set bounce there. Keep testing. I feel something pushing back against my finger again. Now I've got some more bounce. And just repeat that process, testing each pin one by one. Until you get your open. So there we are. 3 easy locks, 3 simple methods of SPP. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. I hope I confirmed something that you already figured out yourself. Hello again everyone, I hope you enjoyed that quick demo. YouTube has told me that only a fraction of my viewers are actually subscribers. So if you enjoyed that video, please hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.